We're going to do the derivative of some exponential and logarithmic functions. You're going to need the derivative of these four idea or these kind of functions. The derivative of e to the x is e to the x natural log of e. We're just going to write e to the x. The derivative of a to the x is a to the x natural log of a. The derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. And the derivative of log base a of x is 1 over x, and also 1 over the natural log of the base a. So the first problem is y is equal to 2 times e to the x, which is a pretty easy derivative. To find that derivative, I'm going to use dy dx instead of y prime. To find that derivative, the derivative of 2 times a function is 2 times the derivative of that function. Our function is e to x, e to the power x, which has a derivative of e to the power of x. Pretty easy. So our next one, sorry, if you're doing the homework along with us, that was number 1. I'm going to jump down to number 11. Y is equal to 8 to the power x. So where are we looking here? We're looking up here at something to the power x. So let's see. The derivative, I guess I'll use y prime here, of 8 to the power x is 8 to the power x times the natural log of the base 8. That's it. Let's see, what next? We're going to jump down. Maybe we should go back a little bit. Let's go to number 4. So number 4 is y is equal to e to the power of negative 5x. So we're using this first rule we proved, the derivative of e to the x, except our input is not plain old x. We're going to be using the chain rule. So let's see, the derivative of e to a power is e to a power. Our power is a negative 5x, which has a rate of change of negative 5. So I guess I'd rewrite that if I wanted to look fancy as negative 5 e to the negative 5x. All right, let's look at number 15. Natural log of x squared. Okay, so let's see. What's the derivative? Let's see. So the derivative of natural log of something is 1 over our something. That's our rule up here. The derivative of natural log of something is 1 over our something. So let's see. Y prime, the derivative of y is 1 over our something. That's an x squared, which has a derivative of 2x. You could leave y prime like this, but you should be able to see pretty easily that x divided by an x in the denominator would be 1. So we end up with y prime is our leftover 2 over our leftover x. I hope that helps.